11 tiny self-defense gadgets. Hey guys, welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be showing you 11 tiny self-defense kit gadgets. So if you're interested to know what these gadgets are, please keep on watching. Number 1. Knyphe. A smartphone is usually easier to remove from your pockets than a self-defense weapon. As a result, combining the two is a shockingly effective option. This is a smartphone case with a knife built into the bottom. The accessory allows you to carry the knife safely in your pockets or luggage without taking up too much space. When you need the knife, it's always close to reach. When you don't have to worry about it getting in the way or becoming lost. The weapon is composed of 440C stainless steel, which provides a perfect balance of durability, wear resistance, and stain resistance. It costs $89 to purchase. Number 2. Firearms are among the most effective means of self-defense but have several significant drawbacks. They are large and uncomfortable to carry. Both of these issues were addressed during the development of the state-of-the-art handgun. The result is a truly compact and portable, American-made means of self-defense. The pistol is only 4 inches long and weighs 9 ounces. The weapon is no bigger than a smartphone and it easily fits even in your jean pockets. And the main feature that makes this gun so compact is its folding design. However, despite it is a fully fledged weapon and it holds 5 rounds of 22 Magnum cartridges and a price of $450. Defender Ring. Even though firearms are indeed highly effective, they are not suitable for everyone as a means of self-defense. A more practical and affordable option was introduced by the American company Defender Ring. On its site, you can find a huge number of executive pieces of jewelry, but made of steel, silver, gold, and rose gold. All of them on only thing in common though, a removable cup hiding a thin but extremely sharp spike, so in a dangerous situation, you won't have to waste any time looking for a weapon in your bag. The ring is always at hand and is brought into action in a matter of seconds. The price of the accessory depends on material and ranges from $60 to $140. A nice bonus is that the removable elements can be bought separately and changed according to your mood. Number 4. EDC Outdoor Survival Paracord. Since we're talking about accessories, we couldn't help but talk about this bracelet, designed for the most aggressive survival conditions under normal circumstances. The accessory is on your wrist, it doesn't get it in the way, and doesn't take up unnecessary space in your backpack. In a critical situation, you can remove it and take a sharp knife on the scalp. In addition, the strap of the wristband is a paracord, and the folding blade can be detached. It can also be worn as a pendant, used as a keychain, or carried on a backpack. The price is about $10. Number 5. LifeCard. There are new compact folding gun models every year, but this gun is still one of the best of this class. The gun is 3.4 inches long, which is about the size of a credit card, and weighs only 7 inches. Thanks to its minimalist design with no protruding parts, this gun will fit into even the smallest pockets. The gun fires 22 caliber cartridges. 1 bullet is stored in the single-shot pistol, and 3 additional bullets are stored in the grip. The price of the LifeCard starts at $300. Number 6. Streetwise Triple Sting Ring. You don't have to compromise when it comes to self-defense. So if this gadget combines 2 weapons at the same time, this is a knuckle duster and a stun gun, which thanks to its compact size, fits comfortably in the palm of your hands and can be easily carried in your pocket. The price starts at $20. Number 7. Ridge Runner Key Folding Knife. Providing the highest level of protection without attracting unnecessary attention is what this gadget does. Best inside the case, disguised as a door key, there is a sharp 2 inches blade. This weapon can be conveniently carried both in a pocket and on a keychain. The price starts at $10. PepperBall Blast. This is a unique, non-lethal means of self-defense used to disarm and scare away an assailant. At close range, the device fires special cartridges 3 at a time, and the cloud They create causes severe coughing, lacrimation, and extreme disorientation, and the range of the shot is up to 15 feet. As a result, the weapon creates the ideal situation for a self-escape. Number 9. Schrade SCH111. The knife, which surprisingly doesn't have a folding blade, can help you in the most difficult and dangerous situations. The weapon was forged for a single piece of high-quality carbon steel. Nevertheless, the model features a slim profile, a short length, and a tiny weight of only 2 ounces. It comes with a safety sheath that allows you to carry it around your neck in a pocket or a backpack. The claw-shaped blade has virtually no resistance, so it cuts through even the hard synthetic materials. The handle is ergonomically shaped, but the grip can be further improved with a paracord. The approximate price is $25. Number 10. SABRE Personal Alarm. The next gadget on our list is perfect if you don't want to deal with weapons. All of this personal alarm system will be able to protect its owner without forcing them to perform any active actions. The secret of this effectiveness lies on the high-powered signal, which reaches 130 decibels. The sound produced the gadget by is clear, audible, and at a distance of up to 1,250 feet, loud and annoying. It will scare away the attacker and attract the attention of any people around you. It also has a built-in flashlight, which is an added bonus. The price starts at $13. Number 11. Black Ink Pen Knife. At first glance, you wouldn't know that this gadget can help you in a dangerous situation. That's because it is skillfully disguised as a pen. It can even used as one in addition to the ink. However, a too thin layer and a half-inch blade is hidden inside. It's easy to get across and access to. If you only need to pull the pen, causing it, the whole procedure takes literally a few seconds. As you can easily guess, the knife is an excellent tool not only when you need to protect yourself, it's also suitable for opening letter boxes, cutting papers, and other household tasks. The price starts at $7. Now, what can you say about these tiny self-defense gadgets? Do you find this video useful? Please let me know by leaving a comment down below, and if you enjoy this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you on our next video.